Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Here's your ADA Trading Informant, and here's your turbo update for ADA. And I would like to show you something special. Here is the 1 hour chart for ADA. And we can make a nice trend line from the upside here, from the highest point to the downside. This is our downtrend line. This is a resistance, a red one. And we can make a nice line here from the downside coming over this point. This was the lowest point to the upside. And guys, you can see we broke this line. This was our support line, and now we broke it to the downside. We confirmed broke it with the 1 hour chart, and this is very, very bearish for ADA. I would like to show you why, guys, because we are zooming out a little bit more, and I can make something next. I can make here a downtrend channel, a parallel channel from the highest point, also like this line to this point and to the downside. And you can see we are here in a big bad downtrend in a parallel channel. And we have here some things to watch. We are going down now. We broke this support line, and we need to watch the next thing. We have a nice support. Yes, we have a nice support channel. This is this point here, from this point to this point and to this point. This is a nice support because of this wick to the downside and this wick to the downside. And the support is about, let me check the price, $1.30. This is a nice support. We are for the moment over this support, and we need to watch this. If we break this support to the downside, we have really big problems with ADA. We will see maybe a testing of this blue line here. This blue line here is a support for the moment, but we may retest it. Depends always where we will hit the line. $1.10 or $1. This is a bad thing for ADA. And the next thing we have to watch for sure is this line. This was the lowest low here on this point. This is also a nice support. We have also to watch this if we are going down more and more here. So $1 or $1.10 depends always where we will hit the line. Maybe we'll hit it here. This is $1. This is the big support. And guys, if you're going down more and more and more here, we have bad targets. We have the support of this line here. This is the underline of the downtrend. But guys, it's very hard to say where we will hit this line. One thing we can watch is this. Maybe this now is a triangle. You can see it here. If you're zooming in again, this is our triangle. Let's zoom up. And we have maybe a possibility to check the target to the downside. The target to the downside, the price target is, if you're zooming out again and we use this line for the breakdown here, we can see we have a bad target to the downside, about 40 cents. What an amazing bad target, guys. I am really shocked. It's not necessary to tell you. It's not a prediction or something like this, but it's a technical target to the downside. Maybe a better target is this trend line. This is 55 cents. But guys, it's really, really amazing what's going on for the moment. I have a big video, a bit emergency video out there for Bitcoin, also a warning video with a bad target to the downside. Please watch it also. I have also a video out there for IOTA with a bad target warning. So in my opinion, it's really possible to go down here more and more and more with most altcoins, with Bitcoin. And this is a really ugly thing, but you have to be prepared, guys. This is a warning video from me, from BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Please check this. Here's the EMA ribbon, and the EMA ribbon is still our big resistance. You can see it here. It's on the upside. And here is another stuff. Here are the patterns. And for the moment, it's not necessary to watch this because they are not useful for us. To the downside, let's check very quick the RSI. What is telling us the relative strength index? And this is telling us we are nearly oversold here. Very interesting. You can see the points here for the RSI, 34 points. We are nearly overbought. We are not overbought. We have place to the downside, but for the moment we are not overbought. One thing I can show you, we lost our nice support line. We lost our support line. This is the nice support line. We lost it now, and we are going down maybe a little bit more and more and more. I would wait here for the next reaction on $1.30. Maybe we will see a nice reaction to the upside, but I think, guys, this is really, really hard for the moment. 4 minutes, 30 seconds this video. I would like to show you the 4 hour chart very quickly, what is going on here. We have the EMA 200 here. This is our resistance. Also the ribbon band, the short position since this point. The same picture here from the downside. Also the same picture. We are not overbought, 35 points for the RSI. very quick, we can check one thing, what is telling us the MACD, and I think the MACD is not a nice thing to watch, not a bullish thing to watch, but we will watch it very quick. MACD on the 4-hour chart, yes, it's bearish, blue line under the brown line, you can see it here on the downside, and we are building red and red candles. On the 1-hour chart, the MACD is also bearish. Oh damn, we saw a crossing here, we saw a crossing. This was so important to watch this crossing here, this point, for some hours here, and this is now very ugly. We are building more and more red candles, and I think a retest of $1.30 is now really close. So guys, this is the video, this is the big turbo, this is the short turbo video update for ADA. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I wish you just the best. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Have a nice time. Thanks for watching. Greetings. Yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.